student, we'll do here percentage composition by mass of each element. Okay, so calculate the percentage composition of mass of each element. Okay, percentage composition of each element by mass. By mass I am putting in the bracket. Okay, so example is C2H5NO2. We have to find out carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, how much percentage composition in the molecule. Here we will write down 2 carbon, 5 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and 2 oxygen. So mass of each element will be twice of 12.01, 5 times of 1.008, 14.01 and twice of 16. So we will calculate, put the value over here and calculate out. It will be coming to be 7.07 gram per mole. Okay, this is the total mass, we can say, or molar mass, total mass of the one mole of C2H5NO2. Clear? So percentage of carbon is equal to mass of carbon by total mass into 100. So put the value here, 24.02 directly you can put, or twice of 12.01 multiply by 100 by 75.07. Once you have calculated out, you can put directly this value over here. So answer will be 31.996 approximately. Here I have written 32% of carbon. Now we'll go for hydrogen, and this is 5 times of 1.008. So I have written over here, calculate, and into 100 by 75.07. This 75.07 will come in bottom of every element, okay, in the formula. So here 5.040 into 100 divided by 75.07, answer will be 6.714 percentage of hydrogen. Clear? Now we'll go for nitrogen. 14.01 into 100 divided by 75.07. So calculate out the value. It is coming to be 18.66 percentage of nitrogen. Now we'll go for percentage of oxygen. Mass of oxygen into 100 divided by total. Okay, here total I have not written that. Somewhere I have written directly, because no need to write on the formula again and again. You can put the value directly. So 2 into 16 into 100 by total mass. Total mass was 75.07. So we'll calculate out. It will be 42.626 percentage of oxygen. So percentage of carbon is equal to 32%, hydrogen is 6.714, nitrogen is 18.66, and percentage of oxygen will be 42.66%. Clear to you? So carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, or any compound they will give you, you will do just like I have shown you. Percentage of given of each element you write down like this, percentage of the given element by total mass of the molecule.